guys, welcome to Wiki Procedure Videos channel and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So in this video we are going to see how to apply for repair license under weights and measure in Telangana. The link and highlighting right now is provided below description of this video. You can click on it to reach this page. So next, to apply online, please click on this link that we have provided over here. Once you click on this link, it will be directly go to this page. So now please scroll down. So under grant renewal of repairing license, please click on the apply online button. Now you have to first select the service, grant, and then you have to enter all the details. Name of concern, select the district, select the village, select the pin code, classification of establishment, type of premises, select the mandal, shop number, date of establishment, role, father or husband name, address, name, age, weighting instruments, area wish to operate, measure to measuring instruments, previous experience in line, select the tax type, tax number, current registration stop, trade license number, number of skilled workers, number of unskilled workers, availability of electric energy, then decode yes or no. In applicant details, you have to enter the delivery type, applicant name, father or husband name, district, village, email ID, pin code, mobile number, mandel, select the relationship, applicant Aadhaar's number. Then you have to upload your file below 2 MB size. And then you have to click on the declaration. Once you enter all the details, please review it and then click on the show payment button. After completing after completed everything, the authorities will scrutinize and verify the documents. After inspection of purposes, report will be submitted for final approval. The decision will be made by the designated authority for issuance of license. Then we can get the notification about the approval. The license will be delivered as per the applicable norms. If the license is refused due to non-compliance of all or any of the requirements, the decision duly reasonable shall be communicated within 15 days. If your request for license is approved, then you can download the certificate from the portal. To download the certificate, click on the following link. Then now you have to enter your application number in the Meet Seva certificate application number and then click on the search button. Enter the below text and then click on the submit button and you can download or print the certificate. And in below section we are mentioned fees section. So you have to pay the 5,000 payment gateway through online. Also, you can check more details related to the procedure in below each section. Here there are like the required documents of detailed information and in office and location section provided with the department and contact details that need to be approached for this process. So we have provided all the information in each and every section, so which is very useful for you. If you have any queries or about videos, just comment us so we will get back to you as soon as possible. And kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.